Oh, how many times are we gonna spin?
Hopefully none.
Hopefully none. Nope. Please don't spin. No,
of course
please
it's
don't
gonna
spin.
spin.
Please,
It's in the name.
Oh, no, don't spin. No, don't spin. All right. Was that one spin? That wasn't too bad.
It's not
Oh, look at row 2.
yeah, I saw that.
Oh, dude, row 2 is going.
They are.
Oh, man. Oh, now row 1.
This is one. Whoa. Okay, nope, that's enough.
That's 4. That's 5. That's 6.
Now it's Crazy Coaster all over again.
That's
Silverwood.
8. Oh, I'm hurt now. That's 9. Oh! 9 times we spun on that last. I'm really. Oh man, let me get my eyes, please, quickly.
What's happening?
Oh
right now?
no! No!
Okay. Slowing down.
There we go. Let's go.
Hands up.
No. No! That's 2. That's 3. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Oh no. Oh. 2. 3. Oh, you all right? 4.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, bring us back. Oh, come on!
How many laps is
2.
this?
Is this 3?
No.
Oh. Oh, here we go. No, what? Again? What?
Is this like 7, 8 laps?
I don't know. They got bumping cars over there right now. Oh, don't do it. Oh, we got saved.
The first spinning sequence was the worst.
That one was rough. The
rest wasn't that bad.
I don't know if I could survive another one for that. Sure. That for sure is a one and done, right?
They're both one and done here.